Does chiropractic technique matter? Absolutely. After 50 years of creating tables for the chiropractic profession and listening to your needs and your input, we know how you feel about your adjustment being the foundation of your patient care, the outcome your patients get, and the success of your practice, which is why we feel so strongly about the importance of adjusting and why we're so confident we know what technique is the best. Yours. Just like our founder, Dr. Lloyd Steffensmeier, the technique you use is unique to you, based on your education, your experience, and the results you see on a daily basis. It may be a combination of multiple techniques, but it is uniquely yours. See how Dr. Steffensmeier maximizes his technique using the technology and features we've designed into our tables. Discover how a Lloyd table can help you apply your own unique technique to the benefit of your patients as well as yourself. We'll provide a complimentary DVD which shows how Lloyd Table Company technology helps you develop, nurture, and maximize your own technique. Be the best adjuster you can be. Lloyd Table Company. Let Lloyd bring out your best.